Hi, I'm Deeksha Chhabra. I'm a fitness expert and founder of Deeksha Chhabra Fitness Consultations. And in this video, I will show you quick and easy exercises that will work on your legs. So to get that strong and defined legs and thighs, let's get started. We'll start with closed stance squats. Closed stance squats work on your quadriceps, that is the front portion of your thighs. Keep your feet close to each other. Now from here, squat down, keeping your back straight and core tight. We will do this for 40 seconds in continuation or 10 to 15 times, followed by 20 seconds of break. Moving on to lunges. Lunges target your glutes, quadriceps and hamstrings. You will put most of your weight on your front leg and use your back leg to balance, stabilize and support your entire body. You will want to get the form down since this form of lunges are the foundation for all the lunge variations. We will do this again for 10 times on each leg or 40 seconds followed by 20 seconds of break. Side to side lunges. Side lunges train your body to move side to side, which is a nice change from your body's normal forward or twisting movements. Plus, side lunges target your quadriceps, hips and legs at a slightly different angle, thus working them a little differently. For this, take your leg outward and sit on one side, after which slide your leg again to the starting position. We will do this 10 times on each leg or 40 seconds in total, followed by 20 seconds of break. Curtsy lunges. Curtsy lunges are great for strengthening and toning your thighs and glutes, which is excellent for your posture. Strong legs also prevent and relieve back and knee pain, all of which help to improve your athletic performance and lower your risk of injury. For this, bring one leg backward, extend outside the front leg once you get your grip. Come down and lunge. Again, we will do this 10 times each side or 40 seconds in continuation, followed with a 20 seconds of break. Leg lifts. The leg lift is an exercise that strengthens the inner thighs by moving the leg apart, the body and sideways. This simple exercise primarily strengthens the leg, but it also requires core engagement. So stand shoulder width apart nicely and from here, lift your legs sideways, maintaining the balance. Again, we are going to do 10 to 15 times on each leg or 40 seconds in continuation, followed by a 20 seconds of break.